This is so fun. This is my Elsa toy.
Eastern Yellow Toad Frogs.
That's my brother.
Oh, let's show the camera. Show the camera.
And this is the Easter toad frog.
Eastern
Toad frog.
Eastern narrow-mouthed toad frog.
Okay. And he's pretty cool. He doesn't even have skin cups, so he can't climb walls. Now he's under his shrink wall. There you go. He's just going in his forest. We call that a forest because I love to. And this is the skater shell. And it's pretty skater skin. See?
Okay, you can stop that.
And it's so fun. And this is amazing. This is, you know this, right? What's that? Because we're in the same video. Well, James, do you want to say something to them?
No.
I'll send this to Alan.